Good evening, guys. Good evening here in Asia. Good morning in Europe and UK, and to everyone who's watching. This is Yanis from GFS Asia. Here in Jakarta, we already have evening time. Uh, it's the first our broadcast this year. Just some market overview. What we're gonna do this year. Some opportunities to be looked into. What we should safeguard ourselves. What we should get in and what we should get out. So first of all, let's look at the dollar itself. The mostly used currency in the world, US dollar so far hasn't had such a great start of the year, but just like every year, US dollar has slightly dipped. It's a historical dip which mostly happens every start of the year. What we have is US dollar index at the moment at 90.61, which is down 1.5% from 92.0 at the start of the year. So as we can see, it's a 1.5% drop. If we go further on, obviously, if we look at Euro USD, we have nice gains, and Euro against the US dollar is standing at 1.22. So Euro definitely had some gains this year. If we talk on the currencies, most likely we won't be able to see huge gains in dollar as itself this year. It was good year last year and the year before, so dollar gain. Now we have many changes, tax reforms. There's still upside in a dollar, but in my opinion, we won't be able to see dollar going to 98 or even 96 in that matter. Most likely we will be able to see dollar index go to 92, 93, 94 possibly, but we won't be able to see it to go to 96 and 98 levels. Saying that, Asia currencies, there's still some weakness in some of the countries. Even with falling dollar to Philippines peso have been rising over the this year. The actually rise of dollar against peso is 1.5%. Currently we're standing at 50.78, and it has been risen from 50. It's quite a rise or a drop in Philippines peso of 1.5%. So something to think about. uh, Indonesia rupiah to dollar has strengthened over the period of these 2 weeks. Indonesia rupiah has strengthened actually 0.35%. Malaysia ringgit last year wasn't very good performer, but this year in these first 2 weeks of the year 2008, we have seen Malaysia ringgit strengthen of 2% already. There's some speculations of general elections, some speculations that maybe Malaysia economy is getting stronger. We have to wait and see what's gonna happen in Malaysia. There's speculations that general elections will happen by the end of the March. We have to wait and see the actual election date. Hopefully, we will be able to see changes in Malaysia. There is some good opportunities in Malaysia stock market just because of the election speculation. We will talk about the possible stocks, about the stock picks later on, end of the week and next week when we will have our next broadcast sessions. Today, I would like to wish everyone a happy new year, happy 2018. We'll have a prosperous year, we'll have a good year. No matter which asset class are you in, or you might be into currencies, might be into stocks, bonds, more or less, you will just have a flat out year. And there will be some great opportunities in the market. I do believe that the tax reform in United States will still have some individual stocks to pick. On top of the head, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, uh, BlackBerry will have some good outcome out of these stocks. In Asia, there's still many opportunities here in Asia. Indonesia stock market still one of the favorite stock markets if we look at the individual stocks. If we look at the index as itself, I don't think personally, I don't think that there will be huge gains on the index side. However, there will be some good gainers on individual stocks, and we just have to source the opportunities. Uh, big a big market share last year in 2017 and in general today is Bitcoin. Uh, I'm not negative on Bitcoin. I have nothing against Bitcoin. I do believe that Bitcoin definitely have, as a technology itself, as a source of transferring funds, has its room in nowadays financial situation. However, as a product itself, I do not believe that Bitcoin can go to $100,000, as some of the speculators says. I do believe that Bitcoin a reasonable price should be around 3 to 4 thousand US dollars a coin. We have seen a huge drop this year. It has been 22% drop already since start of the year. Currently, Bitcoin is trading at 10,000. At $10,300. It opened up at 13,500 on the January. I do believe that there are gonna be larger drops and there's gonna be a bigger slide down in Bitcoin. As a technology itself, I do believe it's a beautiful technology. We have invested in a Bitcoin technology in actual listed companies that are providing technology for blockchain and cryptocurrencies. It's definitely a good technology. There is a huge room in the future for these companies. Uh, Tech companies, in my opinion, will still have a good performance in next coming sessions over here in Asia, in States, and also in Europe. We will try to have these sessions at least twice a week, so we would be able to speak our mind. Hopefully, we will see more comments in a comment section below in YouTube. We'll try to be more active on Facebook, on other social media links. It's all about generating the community. What we're gonna do this year is there's gonna in next 4 months, it's gonna be very big date for us. We're gonna launch our media app. It's a social platform for traders, for our students, for our clients, basically for every single one that want to be actively involved in financial markets. We will be able to learn from each other, provide some news that you won't be able to find on Bloomberg or CNBC, some tips, some nice opportunities. Maybe you can pass some nice opportunities to us. It's all about generating this community and being in touch with each other. So guys, that's just very short update on start of the year. Thank you very much for watching us. I do hope very much that we will be able to do these sessions twice a week to update you, get some info from you, get back some shout outs from you. Please do comment on us. Get in touch with us. You can go to www.gfsasia.org. You can send us email, simply info@gfsasia.org, or you can follow us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, send us a message, follow us on Instagram or Twitter, whichever social media platform you like. So guys, thank you very much. I'll see you in next few days, and we're gonna update you on some actual market situations. Thank you very much. Keep in touch.